You've been told that in order to manifest the life you desire, you have to chase it. Work harder. Try more. Think positive. Visualize it every day. Keep doing. Keep pushing. Keep proving. But what if I told you that the moment you stop chasing, everything you've been chasing starts flowing toward you? This isn't motivational fluff. It's quantum law. In the quantum field, desire doesn't manifest through effort. It manifests through coherence. And coherence begins when you stop running after what you want and start aligning with the version of you that already has it. You see, chasing is rooted in lack. It's the energy of, I don't have it yet. It broadcasts to the field, I need. I'm separate. I'm not there yet. And the quantum, it doesn't respond to your words. It responds to your frequency. So if your nervous system is buzzing with urgency, if your thoughts are looping around what's missing, if your actions are driven by desperation, you are energetically saying, this isn't mine. Let that land. Because in the quantum field, you don't get what you want. You get what you are. Now here's the paradox. The more you chase it, the more you affirm you're separate from it. And that separation keeps it out of reach. So what's the shift? It's not to stop desiring. Desire is beautiful. Desire is the spark. The shift is to release the grip, to soften the chase, to move from, how do I get it, to, how do I become the one who already lives it? Think about this. Have you ever had something come into your life when you weren't obsessing over it? The perfect person you met by accident. The idea that struck when you finally relaxed. The opportunity that landed the moment you stopped looking. That's not coincidence. That's coherence. That's the field responding to your aligned, open state. Not your control. Not your checklist. Your state. Because the quantum doesn't need your hustle. It needs your clarity. It needs your embodiment. And embodiment begins with stillness, with breath, with trust. When you stop chasing, your signal becomes clean, clear, uninterrupted by noise. You move from being a seeker to being a signal. So here's the real question. What would the version of you who already has it feel like? Move like? Choose today. What would change if you trusted the process just 10% more? Not gave up. Trusted. Because surrender is not passivity. It's power. It's the power of saying, I am no longer available for timelines built on lack. It's the decision to embody wholeness now, before the world gives you permission. So today, I invite you into an experiment. Stop chasing. Just for a moment. Take one conscious breath. Drop into the version of you who already knows it's done. Feel that version in your body. Let them lead. Because the moment you stop needing it is often the moment it arrives. Not as a reward, but as a reflection. You were never meant to chase your dreams. You were meant to remember you already carry the frequency of them. So here we are, not trying to get, but choosing to be. And if this message stirred something in you, if it sparked even a flicker of remembering, subscribe. Stay close. Drop one word in the comments that captures the energy you're choosing today. Maybe it's ease, maybe it's flow, maybe it's trust. Whatever it is, name it and become it. Because when you do, the universe doesn't just listen, it moves.